I'm going to be showing you how you can create playlists for your content on YouTube and increase your views just by creating this simple trick of making series out of your content and creating playlists on YouTube. Hi guys, my name is Temitope Banks and this is my channel. I help you make better content and make money online, especially the YouTube platform. So playlists, what is a playlist? A playlist is a feature here on YouTube that helps you to categorize your content and gives people the opportunity to watch more of your content. All right, so a lot of people don't know that you can use playlists to your advantage. It is not just there for fancy. I did a video on why the importance of creating series out of your content in order to grow your channel as well as grow your brand. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put it in the screen on the card somewhere here. Please watch it so it gives you some perspective on the importance of creating playlists. Now, what most people don't realize is that when you create playlist out of your content, when somebody watches one, the playlist or the videos in that playlist will have to play before YouTube would recommend newer videos to the person or to your audience or whoever is watching your content. So if you are a new YouTuber, you're trying to get your watch hour, this is fantastic because people can run through your playlist. If somebody is interested in your content and they find it interesting, they can watch. Alright, you are giving them the opportunity to discover your content, and that's why it's important to create series, because if somebody is interested in video A and it is part of a series, the person wants to know what is the next part of this. How does this end, depending on the type of content that you create. If you create vlogging, lifestyle type of content, the person is interested. If you create educational type of content, the person needs to know what are the other aspects of that thing that you are educating the people about, because you cannot educate people totally in one video. They may not get it. So when you create playlist, it gives them the opportunity to understand. So I'm just going to be walking you through how you can create your playlist. Okay, let's do this together. I want you to tell me in the comment section. I'm taking down notes, professor. Okay, all right. And when you are done, screenshot your playlist and tag me on Instagram so I will hail you like, yeah, you did it, you could do it. Okay, all right, so let's get started. If you haven't liked this video, what's up? What's going on? Do we need to talk about this? Like the video. So let me show you how you can create your playlist. Okay, so let's create our playlist. So I'm just going to launch my YouTube app. This is my channel. If you are not subscribed, do subscribe. Go to videos. So I have a couple of videos that I have done about profitable businesses in Nigeria, basically for women, right? So I'm just going to check for, it's like the most popular video. Okay, so you can see it's even lined up. So it's like top profitable business ideas for ladies. So it's a series, but up to this point I've not actually created a playlist for it. So I'm just going to go to, you see these three lines, these three dots you can see on your screen. So I'm just going to click on it and say save to playlist. So I'm going to create a new playlist. So remember I was saying that you have to be cautious of keywords. Don't just create your playlist with any name that comes to your head. So I know that profitable business idea is something that people are searching for, so I'm going to name this playlist profitable business ideas in Nigeria 2022. You see, that's the name of this playlist. Then I'm going to make the playlist public, because if it is private, that means that I'm the only one that will be seeing my playlist. If it is unlisted, it is only the people that have the link to this playlist that will see it. But if it is public, anybody that is searching for profitable business ideas in Nigeria 2022, this playlist will come up. So I'm going to create the playlist. So I'm going to add all these videos in this series in this playlist. Okay, I'm just going to add them. Sorry, profitable. I'm just going to add, save to playlist. I'm going to add, I have the one that I'm doing on online, profitable online business YouTube. I would also add them to it. I'm just going to add them. Where's the last one that I just did? I'm going to add all these ones to this playlist. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to add all of them to this playlist. So this one too. So you can do the same thing for any list that you are or any series that you are making, right? So to add the playlist to your end screen or card, you click on playlist. So I'm just going to look for that playlist that I just created. You can see profitable business ideas in Nigeria 2022. You see that there are 10 videos in here. So I'm just going to click the three stuff and click on share, and I will copy the link. All right, when I copy the link, I'm going to go to YouTube on browser, because you can't do it on normal YouTube Studio, right? So when I go to YouTube on browser, I'm going to go to desktop sites. If you are using a laptop, this shouldn't be easy, but I'm using my phone, so in case you also are using your phone, this is how you can do it. So when I go, this is how desktop looks like, on mobile desktop view looks like. So I'm going to click my profile. You see YouTube Studio, but if you click YouTube Studio, it's going to redirect you to the YouTube Studio app. So I'm going to click on settings, right? When you click on settings, I'll click on channel status and features. Okay, so when I click on channel status and features, it's going to redirect. Okay, so it's going to redirect to studio.youtube.com. My network is lagging. Let me change my. Okay, so yeah, so you can see this is my YouTube Studio from my this is the back end, right? So I'm going to click on this video. So what I want to show you now, what I'm going to do next, is putting this playlist in on the end screen of all the videos in that playlist. So I'm just going to search for. So this is one of the contents in this series. I'm just going to click on it. So you can see end screen and card. So I'm going to start with the end screen. So I'm just going to click on end screen. Okay, so there are different end screens that you can use. So you have one video. So instead of the one video, I'm going to look for one playlist, and what's it called now? So when you put your playlist, I'm just going to put save, right? So it has been saved. Then in my card too, I'm just going to put the at 4, because most times people don't, on my own channel, people don't watch up to that. So I'm just going to put it there and save. Right, so I'm going to rinse and repeat on all the videos on this playlist. There are about 10 of them. So I'm going to put the playlist on the end screen on all the videos that are going to be on this playlist. So okay, so now that you have created your playlist, you see that it's really very simple. So you can add videos to your playlist, and one beautiful thing in naming, one thing you have to also pay attention to, I think I mentioned it, is that when you are naming your playlist, don't just name it top of your head like that. Use optimized keywords that has to do with that content that you are creating to create your playlist, because when people are searching for it, they would come, YouTube would recommend that heading or title of your playlist, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so yeah, and if you is one thing to create your playlist, another thing you can do is that when you create, after you create your playlist, you can add the link to your playlist as a card on all the videos in that series or on that playlist. You get, so like if you are watching this video now, you haven't seen a card here, there's something called card. You can put the link there. All right, so just walk you through how to put your cards, your playlist in a card, so that way all the videos would be intertwined together and they would piggyback on each other. So if one video goes viral or one video does well, it will, YouTube will recommend the other videos in that series, so that one video will piggyback the other videos. So as one video is doing well, another, the other ones that are following it, it's just like a duck and the children. Anywhere you see mother duck, you are going to see the children following it. So that's why it's important for you to put the link of your playlist in your cards. Okay, so, or if you have 5 videos in that playlist, it is important that you put the link to that playlist as a card in all the 5 videos. Do you get, you understand what we're saying? Okay, so it helps for recommendation. So aside from search, you know, people can find your videos through search. People would also be able to find your videos through recommendation. So when somebody is watching this video A, video B will be recommended below, video C will be recommended below. Do you understand what I'm trying? So if the person clicks on video B, video E, F, that the cycle goes on. So it's important, it's very good to create series and playlists out of your content, especially those, for those who are newer YouTubers, you are trying to get your watch hours. This is a simple trick on how you can do it. And those who are already established, you're already monetized, you want more views, because the more views you have, the more the merrier, the more the cash. Oh, can you guys hear me? The more the cash and the more you make money. So this helps. Playlist and doing what I'm telling you in this video would help to increase your, so you don't have to wait for search. Okay, search is good, but this is another way to get your content recommended and you get more views and eyeballs to your channel. All right, so it's, I would say, you make it, helps your content to be sticky. All right, because you know how it is. So somebody might have discovered your content for the first time and well, I really love this person. So, and not, people are lazy. People, you are not the only one on YouTube. You are not the only one creating content. There are 1,000,001 people that are better than you. So if somebody likes your content, give them more reason to like your content. Don't just wait for YouTube to recommend or suggest your videos on homepage. It may not happen for everybody, but this is another way. So if you get, optimize that one person that is watching your videos with playlists. If one person watches your video and they say, oh, I like this person, let them have reason to watch. And also keep telling people, oh, the link to the playlist on this series is, do you understand? You have to keep telling people that, oh, there's a playlist. So if you don't know who is interested, you know, our content is like markets. It's not like, it's a market. So if you like my market, I'm selling this. You know, when you go to some shops, somebody will say, oh, do you also want to get this? Are you interested in this? So let them know you have different offers, not just by saying I have different content on my channel. Let it be in your playlist. Create it as series, create it as playlist, make it easy for people. Put it in the cards, put it in your description box, you know, tell them, put it in your comments, pin it in your comments. You know, we have to follow, let them know that we have made life easy for you. All you need to do is just sit down, watch, relax, and be taken care of. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Remember, if you have not liked it, you cannot attend Professor Tim Tokwe's class again. Okay, Anyway, if you've liked the video, yeah, if you've watched to this point and you've created your playlist, screenshot it and tag me on Instagram. I'm going to put my Instagram handle here. Tag me, let's dance, let's shout, let's say hey, 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 she created a playlist. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.